Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. So today we will discuss the openings from Croatia. It's a European country. Hope you all of know that this is a European country. So guys, this is the urgent job vacancies. And the thing is nowadays many job openings from European country and so many students or so many candidates are willing to get a job in European country and settle and build a career in European country. So I hope this information will be helpful for them. So today we'll discuss what is the job openings, how to apply, and what is the basic requirements to apply for this job, and how you can process for this visa and all the process to get a job in Croatia as a European country. So let's start. So this is a multiple vacancies in Croatia and Green Channel Overseas Express Private Limited bring vacancies from Europe Union. So basically all the job openings are fulfilled by any of consultancy or any of agencies. So this is a overseas consultancy and through which you can attend the interview and you can process for the European job. So urgent recruitment for the positions mentioned below. Number one, structural fitter, 130 candidates requirements and salary will be 800 euro. And number two, MIG welder, 70 candidates are requirements for this position and salary will be 800 euro. Number three, 6G, TIG and ARC welder. For these positions, 70 candidates requirements and the salary will be 800 euro. Number four, pipe fitter. The pipe fitter requirement for 100 candidates and salary will be 800 euro. Number five, carpenter. 60 candidates requirements for carpenter and salary will be 800 euro. Electrician, 100 candidates requirements for electrician and the salary will be 800 euro. Number seven, blaster and spray painter. So 100 candidates are requirements for these positions and salary will be same as 800 euro. Number eight, scaffolder. Scaffolder requirements for 60 candidates and salary will be the same. Number nine, insulator. 50 candidates requirements for insulator and salary will be 800 euro. Number 10, machinery fitter. 20 candidates requirements for machinery fitter and salary will be 800. So as you can see here, nowadays many skilled jobs are openings from Croatia, and I hope you understand that for this any of these positions, if you want to apply, then you should have the proper certifications and proper skills to maintain this job. So let's know what is the requirement for this job to apply. So first, experience minimum 10 years. That means if you want to apply any of these positions, then you should have the experience minimum of 10 years in the relevant field. Then number two, age should be 29 years and above. That means your above your age should be 29 years or above. Number three, accommodation provided by the company. Eligible candidates can apply. Local transport will be provided. Send your updated CV, educational certificates, experience certificates, passport copy, vaccination certificates. This is the very important informations. If you want to apply, how you can apply? You have to gathering these documents and you have to forward in the given official email ID. Let me highlight this email ID through which you can send your documents to given official email ID. So guys, there have some numbers through which you can interact with them and you can track your application process, and you can also get informations by the date of interview and time. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you. This is the urgent vacancies from Croatia. Croatia is a European country and there are 10 different job openings from Croatia, like masonry fitter, insulator, scaffolder, blaster and spray painter, electrician, carpenter, pipe fitter, welder, MIG welder, structural fitter. So there are 10 types of job openings are there. If you want to apply any of this job, you should have the minimum of 10 years of experience, and your age should be 29 or above. And if you want to apply, or if you are really eligible for this job, then you have to arrange your CV, your educational certificates, your experience certificate, and your passport copy and vaccination certificates. After you collecting these documents, you have to forward your updated CV with all the documents to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV by this given official email ID, you can follow the application process by this contact number, so that you can get information for date of interview and time, and you can attend the interview on date and time. Once you crack the interview, the office will be guide you how to process for the visa and the medical process. So I hope you will share this information to all of your friends or relatives or any candidates who have a dream to move European country with the above job. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end, and please share this information to as soon as possible, so that the candidates are looking for job in European country, they can get a job by applying for this openings. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you the information regarding the abroad job from another country. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck. Goodbye.